gwetera mbere kwathana ba tukiri mabongo yoku ke nigo wekirite wera tuketha twina Martin Moria kiongozi turende kwaria mount mwanya igie utongeria na siasa ri wetera mbere kaitene ka ni 3 years mbere tutagere kithurano kya mwaka ya 2027 lakini kuna changes nyingi muno irabwithika kaitene ka irio kuya kwa Professor Kithure Kindiki ari munini wa rais na Meru still kuna mantu yeteri ya tariki 15 tutumia ku preempt mantu yari court lakini kuna issues nyingi muno kuendelea county ne Meru thai Meru by field ya kapatino tongeria na sieta tiongavana ikiwata mwanki county ya Meru miaka 3 mbere ya kithurano kya mwaka yo 2027 amantu ya afya ri ndene county ya Meru na ta ya wita Kiongozi ni we health coordinator kiri ofisi ya SENETA deputy speaker Gathuri Murungi. What is going on in Meru? Kwena go slow ya health workers na nibio biongobo bari ofisi ya SENETA bakubanga kuona at least ugimane bochoka ndani ya account ya Meru. Arena batukulukra 40188 namba yetu SMS through live kri Facebook through live kri YouTube na through live kri TV ku ya weru tarambera kwa na batu nkethera kithoma antumidi cheko. Karibu sana Moshi.
Thank you Mutembe na mutegeri wa Welo TV ara kundiari. Dito ni Martin Moria kiongozi itanguge ofisine ya deputy speaker Mheshimiwa Gathuri Murungi as health field coordinator. Twetagaira mantuja oversight ki mantuja health na Mutembe mantu ija mkija leo.
Very true.
Okauga kadhaa ni ki health matters in our county we are really not doing well and for sure gento kiranka uga mantu jogi mawamwere onde chairman wa health 2017 to 2022 neri na marshall plan kidirigale kreito Murungira twa banganetie na nokumya to kuma 2022 ntone ge take off kuza itwari na mubango kanya sempre ni allocated the funds nikienda at least to na level 5 in Nyambene, level 5 in Tikanya Region, na to na level 5 in Immense Region. Kiro tererore atogite Nyambene Hospital itido to level 5 status ikenda yomba kwa accommodate all the issues irachi Nyambene na male ward ikenda yomba kwa. But up to now we are lamenting, we are crying kutiki into kiti kuna 500 million cheri kanete chikeja ki level 5 hospital deje na inyaki level 6 hospital yetu before leto kumoreo indadidi tie bill kwa elevate Meru level 5 hospital to level 6 hospital ikenda itika a state of Palastato jera IKU you know KU hospital era nini Kiambu na ala Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital. It's one of the main one in the country called Kenya that here kushughulikia mantoja cancer. And when we were elevating the Meru level 5 hospital to level 6, eduganyorea kwa learia na kamite kwa yari akunene ya hospitali iji ikenda yomba go take care of even the cancer patients. We hand even to French a wing ya cancer center. Irato adidiri nyayo bill. I did a bill so that I could give the governor a legislative framework. Ikenda omba kuita neo kurobi. Cancer issues are pertinent and they are cost effective. They are china budgetary issues. They are not cost effective by the way, they are expensive and they will need a lot of money from the budget and even from the Ciaca and from the donor nikenda yomba kwa neo ikenda yomba ku weave some of the monies na cancer patients ikenda bomba gutetheka. So we did a lot kanyakine to propose it nyo it level 5 status nikenda yomba ku jikia mbecha from the national government directory nanto A level 5 they attract some grants, they attract some donor from outside Meru kana from the Ciaca money hii kuja 12 billion kana 11 billion. So some of those things were not done and tweru terena rwa Senate itokuona kwena a big gap area iki health. Now our people are really suffering. Ni unanto kwa ni Seneta sometimes ariumara geta kanande taka chwa tundawa kaleta cho itanda kaleta But I want to tell the county government, we were born in hospital and we will die in hospital, and everything operates within the hospital. The life of a human being starts there and ends there. So it is paramount we take care of our patients, we take care of our staff. You remember when we were in the assembly, it was indicated 400 health workers. But batingani nkwari shortage nene muno ira tugite after every year ana bakandikawa nikenda tuyebura. The end issues, historical injustices, chia promotions, itugite bekirwe budgeti can address the bomba kwa promoted. But some of those things have not been done. And if they have been done, they have been done partially. Yani ka ganto nikrijebo anto kugobate kuiritu. So to me, what I can say, manto jasibitari jo jengire munya, ne jo jengire kiraito. So kawera kinyawa manto jasibitari kadawa titi diapwega no joja akwani anja. It is simple as that.
It's as simple as that. UBICINE ya Deputy Speaker na Seneta wa MERU. Madaktari bakuandamana MERU mwaka yu mwaka MERU bakinire to a point bakuloa. Thai as we speak when I go slow area mwaka thai. Kwe Seneta ombote theria kwa addressment ya because county assembly bakulukiri mbesa tia promotion na kuandika daktari bang baberu. This is the second quarter ya mwaka yu thirikari. Budget irinya itiguthiatirwa utianto barandikwa uti promotion irathithwa na budget negurukirwe na nothing is being followed.
First of all, I ingwanda kwera Mutegeri wa Welo TV aroli health is devolved. It's one of the functions that has been devolved through our constitution. Then kuga the trigger which can really now happen, you know, kwanaja the nurses union, kana that clinicians union, kana union ye whether all the readers, what they can do, they can provoke the Senate. They can later a letter to the Committee of Health. Committee of Health, it Mandago. Mandago has been a governor. So we understand the real problems Chia counties when it comes to Mantuja Health. And through our senator, who is the deputy speaker, and he chairs those committees. So he will partner with them, they come and see really what is ailing Meru. And Kampu Gyojo Nanto, Senator, he has been so pertinent akitegera Mantuja Health in Meru, mbuge kwirori kukinyagia ukairinga kibaratu nanto area yakuite kuona ganto. So ndiuga Senator nageretie kibwawe kuja through Kamashinani Foundation unda kuira it really helps no na nyale mwaite the nyaje bamwe akajikinya mwaje from village akaleta hospitali gaikia kuraja partner na bangi na to this work you cannot do alone. So kiwengwa na kugeria ki foundation na kugeria, but the monies that are coming here itio okwana to their oversight. The idea to call him to jogi mapamwire ndendo kuira we have an issue even in my ward. Kwina ndakia gweto Dominic, the best goalkeeper in Guinea. Kambo iko kagwata mubira ikatuma club yao ya number 1 ndene ya league ya North Menti. Mudaka watire mubira njare echoka ndengi. Achike hospitali wengwa. Wiiti hospitali toigwa au complicate. Aikwa kirwa amama na ICU for 1 month. Mudaka okwa nali up to now akudhiria mweli jongi hospitali na harakirwa. We are looking for waivers. I'm requesting the county government, county government of Meru, through our governor, you can intervene because that money iraba gwetu.
Which governor?
Governor Urawiku wa Meru.
But they said that is Kawira is impeached governor, not the governor.
Yes, na de kana Kawira na let me ask you for nini ntekwa urawa atuteria. If it is Governor Mutuma, if it is Governor Kawira, unyam requesting tafadhali umwono kirie thimo baringe thimo kirua ikenda at least antu bara bomba kulirizwa mwere betano onya kuthika okuigwa. So because there is a issue mbechire go itwara ura more than 4 million chirari 3.5 ndigwa chigwitia 4 rinyandro na ba update take nini kona 5.5 and I'm requesting even the PS mwali wetu ujo wa Muthoni ujo wa PS wa national government tafadhali please twinyitie mono tu antu betu bano dimenti tafadhali tethie ni njeu ikenda at least no Dominic omba kutikwanja fira to that batona mbecheu ukeza kuno watu bonene mwana mami mochari for 1 month na mami hospitali for another 1 month agutena ungi antu ibachangite ikibati changa no nya becha chu
but mheshimiwa every year ikuthira kuna budget allocation ya sports tene Meru but it ombote the maybe instances
ilo to kulia in fact even not only even the Meru County minister wa CEC or sports okuliunga njeu minister wa CCM wa health okuliunga njera ito bundiri bata kuliungira na pare njera nikenda at least bomba go kwa njera ina kwithikira go kunene muno rutererwa ngine yonde. Let me say that Meru County yonde mwana jora ure I the best sportsman na the best goalkeeper in our region na nanditha aiji ojo tutumbo mwa good send off because of mbecha chigite gwa. I am appealing ijojo I'm appealing to any willing Kenyan ura wa goodwill ura omba goteji nya family area ikenda bomba kuthika Dominic Mani.
Okay.
Is sawa?
Now,
yes, ojo Molcomen. We are appealing even to Molcomen. Tafadhali saidia hiyo familia.
Wimchoro kindege si upigie kindege umwambie maneno.
Odi bra. You see very maturenda gweta na mutaratara jwa rwangijo kadai manto ja uga sports. Sports is sawa.
Yes.
This sawa. Molcomen na budget. Meru County ajabe na budget. Health is devolved. Now we have to exhaust every mechanism Mbere tutaki Mheshimiwa Kindiki. Even Mheshimiwa Kindiki, our deputy president, we are requesting you humbly. Mwana una njera ni gutabika mwana na nokere ikenda tombo mwa befitting set off. That's the hospital wave. At least that bill ikenda mwana uito omba kodiko.
So this is the ugly picture of sports in Meru, right?
Yeah. In fact nyapa abu batu gota ukava njeu antokada mwana no cheza mupira nitukuwa the only is it is only through sports that can make someone a millionaire within a day. Mtu ana mutino jajo ule nikina ntudrikari utio kami. So mi andiri nya buru kiongozi kemanto jau na inkoromba nya MCA wetu na Mheshimiwa Rahim Daud ibuto tegete ntakande getine onde raia tunajo jontorene but uga ngwatirite gitikio Mheshimiwa Seneta Mbere kia ugima wa mwiri ndene ya county as an oversight law ndiugatri na ndiromba tafadhali mutongeria wonde wa Meru County uraombo totere kemanto jo Dominic I really will really appreciate and to buromba kuja kwa
I think message you Kenya now yes. Mheshimiwa katwaririe manto ya appointment ya Meru. Meru kuna appointment nyingi sana.
Yes.
Kuna minister, kuna PS, but that are they three?
They are three.
They are three.
Yeah.
For the last 26 months,
yes.
Meru ibonete supports kana wati mbaru wa a minister na PS baraba Meru. Itone by the Meru no pa umire today baka we are proud arabeto bare national government.
Very much okay the president in kadra ntu boto wa PS badatu ndene ya Meru na PS baba inkwenda ku chokiria rosring jogun kado nyingi sana na ntu imbonete ngogewa na itite muchemene jwa young people aja ojo Kinoru na nyadha hii there is a program that she has brought in Meru. Program yune igwatanite na UK doctors sipa kuthithia operation ya hernia Meru General Hospital our referral hospital inkuromba mtu wonde urawe na hernia ikenda omba gwito ani some tissues they protrude omba gwito na abrico kokod ania tatwana tutiara wa muko ujo kaimba so mono kona na hiyo kimbo nyaka dai mtu atidere comfortable kada itu ale tutira comfortable na there will be something protruding mwana alira kona at least ko ujo imba so there are a lot of things that ko kinyanto amo kona it is not disturbing. So thank you Roslyn for bringing that program in Meru. Itokwira ni bwaga mwathani akutharime na endelea gwitangugio na through my company Love Wins oni itochitrete ku the civic education to the community. Tia miro ake te darakanidi tembo ake throughout the country. We are partnering with the Ministry of Diaspora nikena tumba the civic education programs usually ana bomba kuija guitanora bomba kumara ome bomba guita nasis bomba kumara ome rokirin kwa na lecturer Mary Joy Kaimuli wa Meru University. They have some classes starting by January cha Germany with another and Germany nkenda na bomba guita ome nasis na ECD teachers so you can bomba guita Meru University we rora at least bomba ku doma ki Germany nikenda bomba kumara ome. We are starting another program ajojo kinoru through the MCA wa municipality Kareb gwitana nyatwana tu already mantoja ki Jerumani nikenda twana tu na nyatu tumba kwithwa twina kuongera language ni kuongera opportunity ekwe kumara ome. So there are a lot of things that are going on. Urokwenda gwita Canada na thome French, urokwenda gwita Germany na thome ki Jerumani na nikenda at least manto jaja mwana omba kwethwa ena communication ikethwa ete barrier ki kumara ome. So all those programs that are coming inkwenda kura ministry ya diaspora that diaspora affairs itongeto ni Rosary Njogu. Thank you. We jaki manto ja PS mheshimiwa Kibuli ki manto ja cooperative ni ntamona uterero mono na inko mu request kinyawe ombe kuja imenti signed nkuiwa nare huru bena mheshimiwa Mutunga they were doing something for the community there which is okay, but in this side nyeto tuna cooperative tuna CBOs itukwenda kuona our women groups chikia are prefected to the cooperative level come do civic education come help our people ki mantoja PS Mugambi noe PS wa forestry right now. We end issues in the area jojo kare ke tataira CFA Community Forest Association ikenda bomba kurugurira muito mheshimiwa Kadhuri na teterete antu bo muno no kulikana na etere mwanka PS Mugambi amwira Mugambi rugura muito dai bararugurira muito. So our PS brampombo kuromba antu ba within the belt kumabuli mwanka no dimenti mwanka tigane mwanka no na nyana ara wadona njogu ikiorawa. So there is a lot of animal human conflicts na competition ile itiri igitarire Mugambi hantu beto bakagia competition iwe gitene utukona gukana kuthoki then within that belt daina ndetukwanda. So ikoromba PS Mugambi nikendomba kubaretera gatha imbeu ninya school chirugura January utubyo beterete njogu ichiarire interview ombyo baretera gatha nirio baretero irio go tutiona konge bagikiro inyirio ikenda ntubeto na bomba gutetheka. So I'm appealing to our PS ana beto para to eginitrikari kana ba appointed through our votes na iba batikomenyo it's through our votes that they are there. So they serve our people. Mtu ambaye ya Jerusalem charity begins at home mianka ire kudira ye chonko ojo cooperative ninte kona gitangu bigo indege yake bita yabe buruka be it cannot help.
So yeah. Meru kwena new minister water
irrigation. Yes.
Antu terechie mbe na arora bate kuona roi pamonya bera aro chwana na roi na is a problem. We have never seen him kinyago ya Meru ta kinyameru kinyameru bakuru no thururu minister batemenya. So was it a mistake kile appointment nonto
let me appreciate the president again because
appreciation for what
koto di debora koto appointra ndakeu ndakembede i young person na injenzi baba bakwendo Eric Moga atuge ibwa Mbere mbere twambia oteta. It is the other day you are given that opportunity. Now it is the other day that tuonenya wo kuthithro reduction wo mwala ome na weta go sign some contract chiaroje ikenda at least twithro twina big projects ikenda tomba go solve the issue of water. Ankwire ndoera ijite kairi nere kethro embuga ithandu ondu wo imantu jaroje. Antu baleta bakainganira rojo ro iguru akainga wawe ukethro at least rotio frondera. What I can see our minister twina perennial issues chiaroje kwanza nara umitenderera rwa igembe na itukuromba inyagwotithia umkami kenda antu bakumenya na renja indonere TV ne kwanza wero ni amumurikite ejite nja in a small way, so do a big umkami. And the other issues is that our MPs, because they serve the national government, they report to the national government.
No, was it a wrong choice? Because badi bajo no bona bengo ine ibachogere
utumba kuga ni wrong choice, that is us watu ni utokali ubu kiongozi. Utumba kuga ni wrong choice nanto omba kwithra na kirira kinkwengo gya gwita, so oni uranga akwira Mugai is young, is inanda ko mbuga autonya kingo gicha mainstream politics kana kiteja kiu kia waziri nkuromba ugwa wite Eric Muga ajojo. And when you listen to him unanto I have an opportunity to listen to ndegirona Marshall plan. There is even underground water. Ijojo mheshimiwa Kadhuri bategete na some hydrological survey. Lujurarwe ruiria ujo kiongozi rukejo turo to kudhiria thine. That's beauty on the mwakandera. Na that survey no ntuona nya mheshimiwa Kadhuri tukiuga akabwanga bana, because kathana kumara ageta mwaka ome na upali pali na bagachwa chonko bakeja bakathima bakona kwena rujuru ria na rombo tethia ntu. So you can partner with the kamashinani, that is our senator Eric nikenda tumba kunengera ntu ruji na nyaro ikutumbe ku conserve na raro ikutumbe ku distribute. Right now it's a clay inyangu kara kemwabu kiongozi mewas nitira mewasira ya leo igitare munye itu akunda roje na roje rokangana nye igitare gira itu but roje rokorere igitare akawira. I don't know what is happening. Ndabonere TV bakiuga ketha kuna rationing MERU ina rationing roje nini town ine. No, there is something not going on well with our county government, so we need change. Okay. And change is coming very soon.
When is that? When is that?
Mutembe yu wano kuthoma gazeti. Na kuigwa kwe kesi kotini.
Yes, kesi
so on 15 gutugo karika. Tesa sawa. So we want to preempt what is in the court of law, but we are hoping for the best. Now let me say this, nanto patuto ofisi ya Kadhuri seneta wetu na twitanite mantu amega nanto kona ate kumara wayo takuromba gite kyanga bana thai augire kathia kwambia process yijojo na MERU ikwambia process na beja senate by impeaching bana kawira ugire we monka mutuma kesi yewe gitwe irona ndi wageta campaign ine. So nyamba be agweta campaign ine baba ruterora rungiro nyambene nkobera your brother is still viable nyakwana gite cha kyanga bana kumatariki 15. So tigane ni na campaign very early in MERU tere ni mutuma anekrogeti eitranto ngugi na rutere rurungi
politics of betrayal. Auno kwenda tu ya politics of betrayal. Gachagua
yes
na president ba menana before baba yako menana ukarikanwa president Uhuru Kenyatta na Ruto Kenyatta ba menene. So ya president Ruto na munini wawe Gachagua ethukanyeza indi engwa bamithika lintore ibare foot soldiers ba president Ruto ibengero gitene. Now nira kinyire mwanka MERU bamo barabara supporters ba kawira mwangaza ban breko camp na umona aretre kirutere rwa mithika na araria South Mentioro akawa itera campaign ba campaign muthenya mithika lintore na Kadhuri tuko Kadhuri eta campaign against mithika. Now mithika no campaign nakwenda kuromba itikia nakwenda itikia gavana 2027 munya nakwenda itikia gavana antu babo ndi migambo bochokaniria Meru wao. So let's begin here. Politics of betrayal.
Politics of betrayal.
Asiaza bakoro itikania maishene
kambugi ojo nantu nindare campaign ine 2022 na interest kire mono igoro na South Imenti ko ki mutongeri ore anga no vuguvugu.
Yes.
Araugire utuko ba campaign na rokiri na kadhuri campaign na mithika utuko kadhuri akarara ko banga bantu jange. But let me amwire uma Mheshimiwa Kadhuri ngugera itire mithika ire itire mithika 2022 nyamo mithika abati kuwa Kadhuri na rungi ngavana akamu support nantu Kadhuri okairia njale mithika akauga kura chetu iche matha this my brother nyanja rate kumba gokiria tu akauga
jarete kumba yao
okairia yo wala kiongozi so twejiri nyaka nizene geto ugatire bware ko mpaku yani bwa mpakure kwa nyanda akuruka ndi seneta ntumbo botedia nantu itebira bingi na ngugira nyingi Meru ire uyu Mheshimiwa Kadhuri ne woga so ikomaka kunene muno kuigwa antu barabo support mithika thai bakiura Kadhuri na bemura na South Imenti. It is very ankwire uma Mheshimiwa wetu mithika itukwendete muno but kugeya kwithirwa campaign yu nio karinga nte kuona Meru twitite kuraja. That's not a campaign nantu Kadhuri imuntu mukiru imuntu tije mantu jako dije bure na in fact nyatha hiki campaign ire irio kiongozi ki survey turathithagia no kwanania Kadhuri betanĩtie na munyoriko so ni campaign ye narua rojo ibukurwa na munya narua weja ndeje no kurwa na Kadhuri campaign nte kone gitabo buru kabisa it's not a good campaign na Kadhuri ngo kwira wana uleri na nja ya Kristo ringa campaign chia kubwega nantu campaign cha Kadhuri cha governance cha leadership ti campaign cha kupayuka kienine na Meru this time round akathura merits atethura kirarire atethura marumi atethura uri antu bagwita gojikia camp ni kiongozi nuiji to achindirwe uni de mithika arari ngugine undetere na 24 times 24 times
ko
guna gochwangu ge Kirimos bimwenda atigirwa PS mwandi ngira bereja inga wiga gibithika antigirira roundabout yambira angakwena ondetwa kinyande PS umwe PS itotiga nandi tha ijuju MCA bau forma ibogo jikioge abo utatu wangu utaba dai igarare aregere ne yaki ali former MCAs rombe ni kura chienu ibwathithirie ngugi enu ibwe na track record njega rombe ni kura bote kugiana nyenya na baba kwija nyowe jana mbecha kwi manto ja moto kuitagia antu kwijo twije na kwijo tutekwenda kugenya kamirene na nturi kada fatreza ne thukira na ninka athiria so manto ja moja tiganwajo kwi na magija moto inya nyoga itie guru anto bajari kana
no President Ruto
yes
na munini wawe supportere bwende from Mount Kenya region I mean Mount Kenya East supportere Kindiki bokiwa atethia gashagwa kura moni utethia Meru now kwina hope
katuge kwina hope gashagwa na nenkeri thirikari jora umuntu omba gutethwa buru tukuringa campaign toiji the two will work together, the chemistry will work for the benefit of our people called Kenya nikenda at least ibomba gutetheka but kwa kinyara antu amwe the deputy president then ambira kuyotenga akiuga Mount Kenya share simbi aleka kuthithia ire gwitwa national unity right now na itirwe tuto mwariria thayo ra wiku ni Professor Kithure Kindiki noe batu to muromba to young people because young people of this country no nerera po marete gitara genzi bo about their tribalists we are Kenyan first before we become Meru Mweko Kanambi. So I'm requesting our young people na ntubatu urumo kagura Mweko kumo kagura Munjaruo utithina na utuka intamingo. So I'm requesting the young people of this country batu tumbe kwa Kenyans, tumbe kwa patriots, tumbe ku support government initiative iji Professor Kithulenio ya ku unite Kenya. Yesterday indra mondere Mwatate, that is the Taveta County. Na ale ule ikende nyabo bamenya be thirikari na be Kenya. So that program we are welcoming it. Naitu mromba kabisa Professor wetu Kithure Kindiki will support you on that. Mantuja ku unite Kenya under one country, one people and one nation na under one deputy president and one president. So you to ku support kabisa Professor na inya we watania Kenya nyawe no tugweterete na nturo etu tukuromba umcoming ye kunyawe ije very fast nantu this region yetu ya Mount Kenya East in historical injustices batu itu kaliantu betu pa Mount Kenya West na tukwira gachagua atuthire ka barabara gaka kuma meatu Thika road twa Thika road kiongozi batu twatonyera ka barabara ga Colonial mbira tumite ki barabara kiria kina dual carriage ndi twatonyera ka bwana ndi tukuromba atirika gotiera ara Thika ka barabara ka bugotonya ka tugotonya ko tugatonya ko Embu Tharaka-Nithi tugeja Meru tugeta Mwanka Isiolo barabara era itu ni kiro ki program ni ambirinya designing ikenda at least barabara era yomba kwa dual carriage kwithwa ni tunda na Mount Kenya East kuma kithirikari ne Kenya Kwanza Meru Tharaka-Nithi na Embu Baruma bibyo tukuromba. There are a lot of issues domestic animosities chetu iturugera mantu nyacha hospitali jeju chetu so ndiromba ikenda at least turetura kathini referral hospital emwe kinya within this region kwina economic block tubati kwithwa at least they are being formed in kenda ntubeto ntubira banda byoba kuthia bora. Let me say this because I've seen our speaker Ayubu Bundi. Nyakoro into yona kiaria na Ayubu, thank you very much. Oi mutongeri omoko thoganiria Meru. Oi ni baba atikwithra tha ibe kirist pena ba Dr. Sam. Be kirist chia kwa mbuge nyama PS kadha pa kuongerwa bangi. Antu no kuigwa kiuga atire Mumiru ena mabakando ena makandamia en bibyo tukuromba Kithure Kindiki na institution cheto je malimba ningwa ndina munitho KMTC ira chia kwamire chia national government ikena najo project iji chumba kwewa mbecha munitho KMTC kaya 100 million anabauba munitho gukura na iriara yonde yokura barabara chikweja rami kila kitu ukona. So those are the tangible projects, transformative projects ira tukuromba thirikari iji nikenda tugia proposals our MPs batongeretu ni senator wetu. And let me say this because our senator right now nwe kingpin nwe munene ki political career ki papa bae gite mheshimiwa Kadhuri Murungi nwe deputy speaker so ki that riam kwithwa nwe munene urawe na gitigira ki kinene ki ajumbe udhurani ajumbe betu ba Meru grandi na MCAs draft your MOU into beyond the bravo kwenda every region nikenda twatrimana inyakathaje omukami yeu ka twathie muchemeno jwetu twemiru na inya Tharaka-Nithi ithithie na Embu ithithie kia tumba kunengandira proposal tietu nikenda government project ra chichie tested chumba kwenderea nire tukwenda kuthithirwa chinjeru kia chumba kuthithirwa. So I'm really requesting our people, our leaders, our opinion leaders to tonya ki drawing board na twitikirie bamwe batutongerie na Tumeru twenda tongera tunde but this time round nkona madana wiririte Amiru iba kuona mutongerie ora jo jadai Central Kenya yonde kwena inya turari Kibwezi ukaigwa bakira deputy speaker senate ito twere stima so mwana ora kadana kwendwe ni turia kadana kwenda ni antu twitikirie ni tu atongerie Meru na edro Mbere yetu atuikiria our proposals kia wa deputy president
wale amount ya cost Mombasa biashara bamira last week bara ya utre anonto ba says na itithirwe na harassment kuma gire askaris ba county. I remember sometimes back mwako uyu deputy governor Mutumantu Ethinkia senator ni betire ruterera kuona mathina yaramira muchemo ni ureto kinyanteretia Machakos na bamo batongere bakuma na ara costi bare weta muchemo ni onera so now that to in a broad based government but job ethirikari is it not the time atongere ba MERU atongere ba coast amuna the president deputy president bakari ende bathire thine mira nterecia coast
njuga atiri kwina issue nene monoja batu tugwita nao anto deputy speaker na thithirie a delegation itongeretwe ni deputy speaker Mheshimiwa Kadhuri Murungi na mutuma our excellency government governor wena anto nandetha no witite kwa ngwigwa ibabati kuthithia muchemanyo jumwe na region yetu ya Mount Kenya East itu twina issue parabe na mantu amuguka na twina mantu amira na no kulikana riri baingiro especially muguka bari bewire state house ibetre state house na bona ayali true at that time imwana wetu no wari minister no kuigwa this time round twina mwana ungi Dr. Kalanja no minister watu turiromba turina tukona antu beto bethangika nau bethangika ikwale Kilifi kwa ili uchonde chiambo nkona bethangika nao so what we need to do from today withdraw at least mikakati thithwe our request itamoka ki president noe munene wa nthiguru yetu tugurukire through our deputy president itubukirwe a meeting ya leadership ya Mount Kenya East ikena tumpa kwa president imera bietu ya scheduled crop batu tukugura coconuts kuma ki Mombasa batu tukugura ikwati kuma other counties nikina ntobo batu gwitikiri imera bietu no kuigwa and then the other issue is the trade agreements minister wa trade na our governor okwerewa atwali uma county governments ni bati kwithirwa ina manto jamwe especially kuchwa thoko na kuchwa kimera gyaku uragika sell to the outside world so twina issue inyatu ingwa tu county we are not doing a lot we are not doing enough nkulikana igitare tu MCA governor gireito na itete 20 million ikiende facilitate inyagweta guchwa thoko na Djibouti ningutikia kwa MCs better to adidre ya caucus and committee itongeretone kimathithibwa ibetre mwanka Djibouti so itupati kwa tu na our own small way we are doing ikienda at least tomba gweta convince me hapari customers
in fact indira rekora na survey ya ntubo kuma Djibouti na area MPs bakuma hotel last week ibari tebete kuona kamera kiugamira
kinyecho ibarari ki deputy speaker ninko moya nini inkuona agitangu genene monona nto nari na nto ba Somalia daina alari na the registrators ba Djibouti na raida those issue so we are waiting for the outcome na nto thoko yonora gukwingi mira yetu transminyeri within the country no yumale nyantu no kumya thoko yetu ira nene kiantu betu ba nyambene ni Somali so tukarugura thoko ya Djibouti na tukarugura mbuga thoko engi then our people won't have any problem yes
kuna mtu wetu wa Martin Mugambi aruria atiri ukamkilia kithia kwa kuromba TKMC gane TKMP no thement
Martin Daiji Gwitranto Ngoge is like my brother by the end one baba ngenya ba to confused amono ki
Kovo mnajuana
Martin Mugambi no kithoka na nakuromba gitike MCA na he is like my brother he has been even supporting me na iniko mwira bro trea kuromba ugo meana decrete we ari romba gitike Nyaki West KMCA na uni igitara kuromba gitire akinya nkeja gyanto bambire tokaunira aja nyanda atharirie nkindu KMCA no kuigwa
kago na buo mutharimo muro dropa
no kumeari mwe chathai ndi ngugine sasa sawa thai mpegi ngugine Kadhuri Murungi na ntumba kwithirwa at least inkuga inkuromba giti thaa ijujo kaugo au kankwaza mugambi na MCA uroriku unduge MCA uroriku naye wekanya itira ntunguge uraba kuromba itibendere kuromba mwathani arakonera matini igitarera siasa ya kinya na ntuntithirwa mbuga ndingugine igitareu nkejagia antu bakwa mborie tucokere ara tuunire nkindo kabura na twitaitia no tugutithirwa gukari na imo kwamba guga rojo na gondanga bana na kwenda SENETA ri tagagitigia tukithirwa at least mianwa the main competitor Raimi is the only competitor in Odimenti na ntubana Odimenti nimbona je kabenda Raimu ethro aria gumbuga inya 2027 no kwara
uragarukire bana nuturagu kwa Raimu atiwitangwe
ale oni tawire atire kiongozi tutirita kaire batu turatura itera Raimu nara gwetu na Raimu mianka 5 ya kinya aka MP akinya batu turugara Raimu na Nyaki West Ward na Nyaki East iwu wera utema shabiki ijo tuthithire ngugi wite ngugi buru utwe kurugura na inda rugurire gita na inda ugire ukagita kuria Raimu kairi in fact tumwendeni atwitire ngugi no ina miatombo karagu twiri sister na kiongozi ngugi gita kungi na kura chialingwa Raimu aka MP
kura chialingwa ora change
it is a big change
imbi buronere overnight
erewa ndi ngugine thaa ijujo ngitendo kwaze nya mheshimiwa Raimu Mheshimiwa Raimu come to Nyaki West wafanyie kazi bute opposition kwambiria na arwa na inda ugire 2 months ago togo Mheshimiwa Raimu naye gwekanya na itire antu ba Nyaki West na Nyaki East ngugi tubarabara turia tututuli nau turia twina thina kuja uteo anga kwirwa anga kure ichi yao na this time round matinye ndo atironga MP twakuringira kura
okay
yes
no tukidike mubango yo itubinge muri bigure kana ibikora kiri thirikari computers na binambi is it a mistake witikire maybe governor kana state officer yangu ofisine ukara ofisine na engini ni either ni county assembly kana engini mbunge
oni manto jang kujo na ki the last dire karaga chagua arengawa inarendo kara ofisine na romba state nukumya koti niyo ni thikaira muntu wonde wethero ina issue ba kuthikira but ni ndiromba atri wengwa kadha ukwengwa politically mya politics ni about interest na politics kuna process ito political process wengwa through political process watindo karariku au wevera kwanza nyali sign kwa gachagua kadha na akuona kwengwa ni assembly ya national government nyati ngetera gwita inyambi Senate arengedi sign rake na ataka thokia manto jawe but for now what I'm saying is this governor kadhano ingirwe ni Senate nyote batu kudrori office ni nanto olendi Mbere ma Senate yugire governor wetu ni utumanto idhinke na wetu kona ikotini ture anto tu ikotini atwetere tu norea judiciary kana judiciary aka to amwira tu MERU on tariki 15 but the best practice we muntu aengwa kotini engwa ni Senate kana wengwa ki National Assembly kana we impeachwa ki county just by nafasi wetoka itengo yingi utigire mwana onge itengo gi antu itebibi tu ombo karo no te ku move no te ku toma antu batetheka na antu nabo balinga akure kenda batetheka ikena mutongeria bonorera ikenda services cheja mashinani no kwera
tukireke mheshimiwa maybe your parting shot kiri akenya baraba tuthikirite rukiro rwari
uni orankauga siasa chikwambiria MERU very early na siasa rimwe MERU to sanitizing our politics. I feel bad when other counties they are doing mature politics. Politics chia kurumana kingwa anga bi those politics ni korokine wakati politics chia kulinge tuma chia abuses ni korokina wakati na MERU this time round ni je ore akalinga kura na Gen Z ibaije bagetanya na mtu performer bagetanya na mtu roka aleta results oriented tibaraba kuruka if you know no kosere wananchi if you know no kosere national government if you know uwe wina issues please tikane nyako vai you won't be the governor of MERU na toitere at least papa beku paite ngugi yao. It is too hard kuringa campaign miaka iri itigere ukaringithia antu etuma atweterenya kisi tariki 15 tone ora kisi itite mutuma is young na inda ugire kairi na please araturi Meru governors o kinyairi emwe waitianga national waitia kwa CS uwe kara national government ukeja ndege kairi tutigireana baba nini chaba mutuma ntoithinkia bakathuri murungi na bakiongozi batigona ndibo bakwatha Meru na itebia MP bia MCA inde babange twakuria ndie nindi tene bia rais. With due respect, munya you are mature enough to go for the president. Mithika runturi you are mature enough to go for the president. Bibi tibira tumbobwa bibi antora tigirenia na baba nini.
Right.
Good.
Thank you very much kiongozi na tuko kuona kanya kwa kiribo bango yokuokea na thank you very much kiribo rabo ndebo kwa kiribo bango. It is always a pleasure kwethira ndina babu tuketha tukumethe mantu mwanya kiri mitandao yetu kirinto chetu chetha mwanja 7:30 na 9:30. Hithona kiumia kia betwa mutembea ndot.
Thank you.
Wow.